The Red River cart was a two-wheeled vehicle, primarily used on the Great Plains of Western Canada by the Métis people, a distinct Indigenous people derived from unions between Aboriginal women and the European fur traders. They were used during the 1800s for transportation across the Canadian prairies. Known for their durability and their ability to carry up to 1,000 pounds, they were made entirely of wood. The carts were held together with sinew, rope, leather, and wooden nails. Thus they were easily repaired with a few tools wherever wood was available on the Canadian prairies. The invention of the Red River cart, along with the introduction of the rifle, in effect commercialized the buffalo hunt on the northern Great Plains of North America, which during the 1800s saw the buffalo reduced from 60 million to approximately 500, or near extinction. An ox, rather than a horse, was preferred for drawing the cart, as oxen could transport heavier loads at a quicker pace. The carts had two large wheels, which gave it stability and facilitated crossing muddy areas. The wheels could be removed for river crossing, where the cart would be floated across the water. Often a hide, or later a canvas canopy, provided shade, protection from the rain, and accommodated using the cart as a sleeping quarters. One drawback of the carts was the loud screeching noise of wood rubbing against wood as the wheels turned on unlubricated axles. Grease could not be used because this would pick up dust and dirt, which would increase the wear on the hubs and axle. The extreme dryness of the prairie air caused the hubs to split and crack, and the spokes of the wheel to work loose. By keeping the wheel always wet, this might be avoided, but on the dry prairies, water was often scarce. Red River carts were eventually replaced by the Canadian Pacific Railway, which was constructed across the Canadian prairies in 1882-1883. In the following series of tutorials for using Blender to make Trainz assets, I am going to construct a Red River cart found in a local museum. Normally one would use schematics or photographs as a reference for construction. However, I am going to use a photogrammetry generated model as a reference for constructing the model in Blender. That is, I will construct the model over top of the photogrammetry model. I will then unwrap the model using the Josh Gamble's four-step process for perfect UVs, and arrange the UV map for texturing with a PBR material texture set and PBR Painter's ability to multi-channel paint within Blender. Starting with the 29,841 poly count photogrammetry model, the finished Blender LOD 0 model turned out to be 2,513 polys.